Tell you what I go on now, how it tastes.
Speechless.
Alright.
Speechless, you know.
Yeah.
You know. Guys, trust me, guys. Like, Chef Keegan. Big up.
Alright.
Big up for that masterpiece.
You
You
see?
know.
Yes guys, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make some real authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken. I'm gonna show my little cousin how to make some brown stew chicken today, Jamaican style.
That is it.
That is it. You saying want to learn how to cook Jamaican brown stew chicken the proper way, the right way. We're gonna work with what we have today. Alright, so these are the ingredients for today's recipe. We have some oil, some lime. Always make sure you have your lime and your vinegar because you want to wash the chicken nice and proper, alright? So you have your fresh tomato, thyme, garlic, ginger. Can't do without the scotch bonnet pepper, see there? You know, we have the all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Some little sazon. We don't really use this back in Jamaica, but you know, you can use it, add some flavor to your food. Black pepper, browning. If you don't have browning, guys, you can always substitute this for some brown sugar cane. Alright? Pimento sauce seasoning, complete seasoning. We have some chicken seasoning. And of course, vinegar for cleaning the chicken. Alright, so we're gonna hop right into the video. We're gonna add some water to the chicken, cut the lime, and rinse it off with the vinegar. Make sure it's clean and proper. Then we're gonna cut it up and season it up. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Right, guys, so we have one whole chicken right here. So we'll cut up the chicken first, alright? So, first thing you wanna do, get a knife. Make sure the knife's sharp, you know. Cut it right through, like hot knife through butter, you see it? Yeah, man. Just like that. And we will cut it up in eight pieces. And then we chop it up afterwards. Nice and fine. You see it? Just like that. Cut up the chicken. Clean off the fat. Put that one side. And the little red stuff them on the inside. Right in so. Take them off. Take off the fat same way. And we're going to cut this up both in 4 pieces. One. You know. Take off some meat so. Just like that. And then you're going to repeat the same step. So I'm going to do this one, do the breast, and then you do the rest of them. You see it? Just watch and learn, man. Just like that. Just like that. You see it? Cut up the breast. You don't have to do it as fast as me, but I'm used to the speed. You know, speed comes over time, but cut it up just like that, man. Just like that. You see it? You see how quick that was? Less than a minute, so you do the one then now.
You know, start something idea. No, you know.
Take your time and cut the chicken and mind cut your hand, you know. Yeah. Which part of Jamaica you from? Tell the people them. Tell them you know to cook long time.
You know, I got 6 years experience, you know. I've been cooking in many countries. America, Dubai. I'm just like, oh,
good.
Oh God.
No,
Yeah,
watch
man.
me, guys. I'm just lying, you know.
So you say take off the skin, not you?
Yeah, clean up the chicken.
Clean it up nice and proper.
Right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it there?
Right.
So is this your first time making brown stew chicken?
It's like my 3rd time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so the guy do decide, say, you know, he want Keegan show him how to make it today. You know, he want a different twist to it. You know, he might already know if cook brown stew chicken, but I'm gonna show him a little twist to it. You know, how to do it the right way.
How to sweet it up, you know.
How to sweet it up, you know. Might add a little sugar in it same way on top of the browning. You never know. Just keep watching and don't go nowhere.
Don't go nowhere. Here.
You're here. Okay.
Here.
Alright, so make people know where it.
Alright guys, you know we got the vinegar right here. You know to make sure the chicken is clean. Put some more vinegar like right there, you know. And then squeeze the lime. Yeah, I gotta see with me cause I'm like learning right now, you know. They like make it sweet.
Yeah man, add the lime to it and wash your chicken like you wash clothes, you know. Rinse it off and then add some more water to it again and pour it off. Yeah man. And then just dig your honey in there and mix it up.
You gotta mix it up, you know. Clean chicken only, no dirty chicken.
Then just strain off the water there. Strain off the water and add some more fresh water to it again because you want to wash off the vinegar. If you don't wash off the vinegar, it can go bitter or sour. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we're cut up with time. Alright? Get some rough chops, just like that.
Time is money.
Alright, and money is time. So, just put your garlic underneath the knife like this.
Yeah.
And press it down. And then you just chop it up a little bit. You don't have to be perfect. Some rough chops like that. And then all that garlic flavor and thyme flavor go infuse in the chicken. Because me I say, can't cook without scotch bonnet pepper, man. This is the Jamaican scotch bonnet, you know, straight from yard. You see ginger now? You have two options. You can grate it or you can beat it out like this. Me personally prefer to grate it because you're kinda more distributed in a pot more, you see it? When you do it like this, you bite up in it and all them things are chicken. You see it? Yeah. Yeah man. And this now, cut off that a little bit, cut off the top. Just chop him up a little bit. You don't have to be perfect. You see it? Get some more rough chops like that. You see it? Then we'll drop it on the chicken. Add with seasoning them to it, the dry seasoning them, all purpose powder and the good stuff. And a problem. You see it? Yeah man. Yes guys, so we're gonna add a little black pepper to it. Not much. We're just using our eyes right now. But based on how it's looking, it's about a teaspoon. We're gonna add a tablespoon of complete seasoning. Just like that. Then we're gonna add some Szechuan seasoning. About a teaspoon. About a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You know? This is the good old Maggi season up, all-purpose seasoning. Yep. Add some chicken seasoning. And guys, the flavor is gonna be right. It's not gonna be salty or anything because even though these seasoning contain a little bit of saltiness to it, it's not gonna be overpowering or overbearing or anything like that. It's gonna be perfect. We're gonna add some pimento seasoning. If you have fresh pimento berries, crush it up and add it to this mixture right here. But we're doing it the easy way today. We're gonna add the actual seasoning, the salt, the sauce. You understand? Yeah. Just a little tip of Grace Jamaican browning. Yeah. Just a tip, about a teaspoon. We don't want it to be dark, too dark. You understand? So now we're gonna get the hands dirty. Here we go. Some people, this is a personal preference thing to me because some people they rather add all these ingredients when the food almost cook and all that. But me personally, I prefer to cook it from start because all of the flavors them go infused in the chicken right away from start to finish. So you get a better thickness gravy, you know, kind of thick gravy and a nice flavor. So we're gonna drop that in the same way. Yeah. So now mix up that make people them, so you know, get your hands dirty. Yeah man. Massage the thing, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man, brown stew chicken looking good. Yes sir. Just like that. Alright, so we're gonna add a little bit more browning because this kind of look a little bit light, you know? We don't want it too light. Yeah, just like that. Mix it up again. That is it. Alright, so now we'll get the pot ready. And so we'll add some cooking oil, alright? Add the cooking oil to it, not too much. Yeah, man. Make sure so the pot, the oil ready. So the oil hot right now, so we'll drop in everything. So all you have to do now is stir it up until everything have a nice little syrup on it. And for about 5 minutes, stir it up 5 minutes. You don't have to consistently do it or anything like that, but just keep stirring up and just let it go and do your work. You see, make the heat do the job. Lock him up and you go and produce some liquid, some steam. You see, and then we go use the same mixing bowl where we do the chicken in, add some hot water to it. You know, just forget some of the little seasoning and pour it in there. About 3 to 4 cups of hot water. And then we'll continue to cook on high heat, about 10 more minutes. Turn it down gradually, you know, as the time goes by. Like, so we'll cook this whole entire process, guy, take about 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30, 35 minutes, depending on how high your stove is. But we're going to start on high heat and then turn it down to medium heat and let it simmer. You understand? Yeah, man. So them can swag one. You know, you're not ready yet, but this is the first 5 minutes. It's already smelling good, looking good. Stir it up, guys. Yeah, man. Oh my God. This is smelling amazing, guys. Yo, brown stew chicken, one of my favorite Jamaican dishes them. So right here, we're gonna put the water on it, some hot water. In this hot water, I have some bell pepper, some onion, carrot, and potato. You know? Pour it in. Just mix it around. And I'm also gonna add some sugar, some brown sugar to it, just to add a little sweetness, and some tomato ketchup. Yeah, man, I make the sugar, you know? Yeah, so we have some sugar, brown sugar, Jamaican sugar. Everything in this recipe right here is Jamaican. Yeah. And guys, I also have some, like I said, Grace tomato ketchup. If you don't have this in your kitchen, you are not Jamaican. Yes, me I say. I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, so you go add a little bit of that to it. Ooh, not too much. Add a little sweetness to it, you know? And all these crazy flavors together go create a masterpiece. Yeah, man, so keep stirring it up. And we're gonna cook this on high heat for about 20 more minutes, and then we're gonna turn the stove down a little bit. Yes, sir.
Ooh-wee.
Woo!
Ooh-wee.
Woo! Smelling good. So the gravy thick and nice. Thick gravy, no boy. What's it? Lovely, man. So guys, we're just gonna cook this for about 5 more minutes, just to reduce down the gravy a little bit.
Ready now.
And then we're ready. The boat land. You know? The boat ready, man. Yes, yes. Watch it. Good old brown stew chicken, man. With the scotch bonnet, you know, the carrot, you know, the potato, everything nice and proper. Yes, guys, yes, yes. See it there? Good old proper brown stew chicken. Gravy nice and thick. Yeah, man. No watery gravy around here. The real gravy, the real thing. Yeah, man. So we're just gonna give it about 5 more minutes, guys, and we should be good. 5 more minutes. On this side, right, so we have a little bit of boiled dumpling go on. You know? Yeah. Nothing special right here, but sometimes simple is best. Yes, me I say. So we'll go enjoy. I'm gonna eat about 2 dumplings. I'm not supposed to eat no dumpling today, I'll deal with two of them because the way the brown stew chicken look right now, trust me, we can't have salad with that. So we're definitely, we're definitely gonna eat at least two dumpling. You know? Give Deandra one and give a treat to OJ. You see? Yeah man, but yes guys, stay tuned and continue to watch the video. I'm gonna show you, you know, how the chicken looking at the end. Alright?
No, sir.
Yeah man. Real brown stew chicken, you know, with some boiled dumpling on the side. Yeah man. I want to have a little cut pan it because I made taste piece earlier. Can't tell say he's a real foodie.
You can say I say discipline.
You know? Sometimes you have to put discipline aside and focus on your hunger, you know? Yeah man, but this is it guys right here. The real authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken with some boiled dumpling on the side. You cannot go wrong. If you're not a dumpling type of person, eat it with some rice and peas, white rice, mashed potato, even some mixed veg, you know, anything or salad, anything you want to do. It's up to you, but I prefer to have my brown stew chicken with some boiled dumpling. Simple as that. Or some boiled dumpling, some boiled banana, plantain and yellow yam and everything up on the side. Yes, guys, so this is it. I'm gonna take a quick bite. Watch ya now. Oh my god. The gravy, guys. Ooh. Wow. Good. So freaking good. Whoever invented brown stew chicken, trust me, big up on yourself. I don't know who created that dish back in the days, but you know what? I'm not gonna hide and talk, you know. We Jamaicans have the best food in the world. The best tasting cuisine in the world. Yeah. No cap. Real deal. Go on. Tell me what I go on now, how it tastes.
Speechless.
Alright.
Speechless, you know.
Yeah.
You know. Guys, trust me, guys. Like, Chef Keegan. Big up.
Alright.
Big up for that masterpiece.
You
You
see?
know. One of the best, that brown stew chicken.
You already know. May I cook it today? No?
One and only. Chef Keegan.
No, you know how to cook brown stew chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think, you know.
Yeah, man.
Good day, guys. Got thorough, you know, everything ready.
Everything ready. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Yes, me answer.
For sure.
What is the spot them can find up on Instagram?
You know, for my Instagram at Terrence_BC. Yeah, you know, I play soccer, one of the best around here.
Yeah, man.
You know.
When I best in Florida, guys. Alright, check him out.
For
Peace.
sure.